This is the story of Aladdin. This is Abanazar, the evil magician. He wants to be rich. He can see a cave. He can see a magic lamp. The magician wants the magic lamp. The magic lamp is in the cave. This boy can find the lamp in the cave. This boy's name is Aladdin. The magician is in the marketplace. He's looking for Aladdin. "Where's Aladdin?" says the magician.
"Over there,"
says the girl.
"He's playing football."
"Thank you," says the magician. "So, that is Aladdin."
My name's Aladdin, I'm never sad. My life is good, it's never bad. I never work, I always play, and I don't go home until the end of the day. His name's Aladdin, he's never sad. His life is good, it's never bad. He never works, he always plays, and he doesn't go home until the end of the day. My name's Aladdin, I have lots of friends. I have such fun, it never ends. The sky is blue, it's never grey, and I don't go home until the end of the day. His name's Aladdin, he has lots of friends. He has such fun, it never ends. The sky is blue, it's never grey, and he doesn't go home until the end of the day. Until the end of the day. Until the end of the day.
Oops! This is Aladdin's house. This is Aladdin's mother. "Aladdin!" says Aladdin's mother. "Come in." "I'm hot," says Aladdin. "Oh, Aladdin," says Aladdin's mother. "Aladdin, open the door, please." Oh, it's Abanazar, the evil magician. "Hello, Aladdin," says the magician. "Who are you?" says Aladdin. "I'm your uncle." "My uncle?" says Aladdin. "Uncle?" says Aladdin's mother. "Here's a present for you." "Oh, thank you, Uncle." "Yes, thank you," says Aladdin's mother. "Come with me, Aladdin," says the magician. "Let's go." "Okay." "Aladdin, don't be silly. He isn't your uncle. He's the evil magician." "Can you help me, Aladdin?" says the magician. "Can you find the lamp in the cave?" "Where's the cave?" says Aladdin. "Aladdin, go into the cave, please," says the magician. Here's a present for you, a ring. Find the lamp, please, says the magician. Yes, Uncle. Can you see the lamp? Asks the magician. I've got the lamp, says Aladdin. Give me the lamp, says the magician. Aladdin is scared. No! I'm the magician! Goodbye, Aladdin. I'm cold. Ah, the ring. I'm the genie of the ring, says the little genie. What do you want? I want to go home, says Aladdin. What are you doing? Says Aladdin's mother. What's that? It's a lamp, Mother, says Aladdin. It's dirty. Oh! I'm the genie of the lamp, says the big genie. What do you want?
Tell me what you want. I can give you anything, anything you want. I can give you chicken, I can give you fish. I can give you chocolates on a silver dish. I am the genie, tell me what you want. I can give you anything, anything you want. I can give you peaches, I can give you dates. I can give you oranges on a golden plate. I am the genie, tell me what you want. I can give you anything, anything you want. I can give you silver, I can give you gold. I can give you diamonds in a precious bowl. I am the genie, tell me what you want. I can give you anything, anything you want. Anything you want, anything you want, anything you want.
Who's that? Says Aladdin. It's Princess Zardia, says Aladdin's mother. Oh, Princess Zardia, says Aladdin. She's beautiful. I want to marry the princess, says Aladdin. This is the king's palace. I want to marry Princess Zardia, Your Majesty, says Aladdin. Here are some beautiful jewels for you. You want to marry my daughter? Asks the king. I want more jewels. 40 plates of jewels. The genie of the lamp can help, says Aladdin. I'm the genie of the lamp, says the big genie. What do you want? I want 40 plates of jewels, says Aladdin. Oh! Here you are, Your Majesty, says Aladdin. The king is very happy. Aladdin, you can marry the princess, says the king. New lamps for old,
Aladdin's got an old lamp,
says the princess.
Here you are,
Says the princess. Oh no! It's Abanazar, the evil magician.
Where is my princess? Oh, where is she? Is she in the mountains? Is she across the sea? Where is the genie? The genie of the lamp. He has the magic, and I want my princess back. Where is my princess? Oh, where is she? Is she in the mountains? Is she across the sea? Where is the genie? The genie of the lamp. He has the magic, and I want my princess back. Where is the genie? The genie of the lamp. He has the magic, and I want my princess back.
Oh, the ring!
I'm the genie of the ring.
Says the little genie.
What do you want?
I want Princess Zardia back, says Aladdin. This is the magician's palace.
Aladdin!
Says Princess Zardia. Princess, let's go home, says Aladdin. But Aladdin needs the lamp. Where's the lamp? Says Aladdin. Princess Zardia!
It's the magician. Hide behind the sofa.
Princess Zardia, says the magician. I'm the genie of the lamp, says the big genie. What do you want? We want to go home, says Aladdin.
Now my love is here to stay. It's a happy wedding day. No more troubles, now she's free. My princess is here with me. Happy, happy wedding day. Happy, happy wedding day. Happy, happy wedding day.